Greetings everyone, welcome back to the Green Kitchen. Today we're talking pineapple. Oh, you see that pineapple in the store and you think, oh, I gotta cut it, Don't worry about it. Rick is going to take care of us today because he cuts up pineapples at least once a week. And he's gonna show you his favorite way to cut up a pineapple. Come on over, Rick.
Hello everybody. This is Amy, and I'm Rick.
This is Rick.
Anyway, I have two pineapples here. One of them is golden, and the other one is still a little green. What I do is, you see how on the bottom it's golden? I store them upside down so that the sugar runs to the bottom. You can see in the corner over there, I've got one that's ready to go. But I store it like this, and I lean it up against the wall. Anyway, this is how I cut up a pineapple. First you wash it. I've already washed this one, so we're all good. Now you could cut the top off, you can churn the top off. Well, I just cut the top off, but if you cut the top off, I use a serrated knife as well. It doesn't make a difference. Something sharp. So you cut the head off. And you could take this and plant it inside of dirt, and it will root and grow, and chances are you'll get a pineapple. I did several times. But I just throw it away. So I cut the top off, so you can see, and I cut the bottom off, just enough to clear it. Then what you do is you take it so that you can get these little ridges out. I use it right next to the sink so that I can just throw them right into the sink. So you take it off, you feel like you're wasting the meat. And I guess you are in a way, but you don't want these little prickly things because they don't taste very good. And the little ones that are missing, you just cut them off. And then this here has a little bruise in it. So I'll just cut that little bruised area out. Now, you'll have a core, which is right here. So I take my knife and I run it right down the edge of that core. Right? Whoops. The core is really hard. And what I normally do with the core is I cut it up and then I throw it in my Vitamix, which is right over here. Because we make a nice smoothie in the morning. Amy, she does these really broccoli sprouts. So I throw that inside there, and I flip these over. This one fell in the sink, so I'm gonna wash it off real quick. And then I cut it into chunks, the way that other people do it. Some people do it to make them look pretty, but for my purposes, I eat them as, I put them in salads, or I eat them as a snack, or I just put them in the Vitamix and blend them, which is what I normally do. Zeus loves pineapples. And that's it. And there you have it. When it gets golden like that, it's really sweet and delicious. I hope that helped. It's a nice, easy way to cut up a pineapple. I'll show you how to cut up a watermelon next. Enjoy.